I'm gonna sign off. I just gotta run somewhere. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay, I'm about to close the breakout room.
Okay, thanks.
Everyone, you are entering the courtroom. Please remain quiet until your name is called. Everyone, please remain quiet until your name is called and turn on your video. Everyone, turn on your video. And please remain quiet until your name is called. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, walking around, smoking, doing anything that would be disrespectful to the court. When you hear your name, please unmute your devices and give the court your full attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. You know, Mr. Roki, good morning. I'm gonna wait for the probation officer to appear for Roberts, and then we'll do that one. But, we have 4 things to do. Ms. Lacy, I'm gonna call your matter 1 moment. This is the People versus Jorge Davila, ticket number P1283830, count 1, tinted windows, front driver passenger windshield more than 4 inches. Count 2, no valid registration certificate, and count 3, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gabriel Lacy, P79685, representing Jorge Davila, whose appearance I do waive this morning.
All right, there is an offer. If your client please respond to count 2. Does your client wish to avail himself to that offer?
Yes, pleading to the defective equipment and dismissal of the improper plate and registration.
I had it as pleading to the no valid registration and then dismissing the tinted windows and no proof of insurance.
Well, when I just spoke to the prosecutor, she said if he completed the defective equipment, she'd dismiss it all if we had a receipt.
Okay.
Let me see what the.
No, it's fine. Just let me. So it's gonna be, is it amended to defective equipment?
One moment, Your Honor, I'm sorry.
No, that's the actual count.
I see tinted windows. And then no valid registration, no proof of insurance. That's on the ticket.
I don't have the actual ticket in front of me. I got the information from the prosecutor. I'm filling in for another attorney.
I see. It says improper equipment. That must be the tinted windows. Okay, so.
Okay.
So with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket,
Yes.
and you stipulate the proper cause.
Yes.
All right, so the court will accept the stipulations. We'll dismiss counts 2 and 3 without prejudice, and we'll proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $120 that is due on September 2nd.
September 2nd. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You guys have a great day.
Probation officer is McCall is present. McCall, sorry, Ms. McCall is present. So we can do that. Let me see. 1 second. Okay, this is the People versus ticket number Z808304. We are here for probation. It's review. Good morning. Please say your name to the record, starting with probation officer McCall.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael McCall on behalf of the probation department.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Robin Roberts.
And Robin Roberts here.
Your Honor, I was the attorney who was here on the last court date, and we adjourned this because Miss Roberts was going to receive sanctions in Royal Oak. So the court could understand what those sanctions were before imposing, I believe, a sentence here.
Right. So has she been sanctioned in Royal
Yes.
Oak?
She's been placed on a sober link, so she's tested 4 times a day, and she meets with probation once weekly.
So, Officer McCall, knowing that, I know your recommendation was drug court. Has your recommendation changed, or is it still the same?
No, Your Honor, the probation department recommends, she did appear on August 2nd, 2022 on a violation hearing with 44th District Court, and she was ordered to sober link for 90 days, and she has a return date for court for 44th District Court on November 1st, 2022 for review, and she's testing 4 times a day. And the probation department is recommending either Ms. Roberts complete the drug treatment program, or she can complete inpatient treatment program. Ms. Roberts is a threat to our community, and she's currently on probation with 44th District Court, as well as this district court and this is her 2nd drunk driving. And although she still is on these probations, she's continued to drink. So therefore, the probation department is still recommending that she do either drug treatment court or inpatient treatment court. And any further violation, that the probation department is recommending 30 days held in abeyance as well.
Ms. Rose?
Your Honor, is she saying there's been any alcohol violations since my client last appeared before this court?
Well, in regards to her testing, she missed August 3rd, 2022, and she walked in on August 5th, 2022. So therefore, she's not adhering to the random urine screens as ordered on this probation.
Is a missed screen considered a positive?
Yes, Your Honor. And she did test she walked in on August the 5th and she tested negative, but August 3rd was her original random test date and she failed to appear. So she's continuing to walk in instead of going randomly as it directed.
So I know that Ms. Roberts has some reservations about doing the drug treatment court, and I think she spoke with someone and
That's
we
correct.
put it over because of the violation in Royal Oak. But I mean, I think the court's inclined to either order inpatient treatment or she do the drug court treatment program.
Because Your Honor, she is eligible. She was eligible for the drug treatment court as well. But
Officer McCall has indicated that she was eligible for drug court.
Ms. Roberts, did you hear the court?
Yeah, I can hear. What is inpatient?
That means you go into a rehab facility to address your addiction.
To stay?
Usually inpatient means you stay. I don't know how long the program is, but that's usually what it means.
So is there a question on the floor? Like I gotta choose between the two?
That's kind of the option, ma'am.
Those are your options.
When you go, they'll do an intake at a facility to see if you qualify to be treated for inpatient. You'd only stay there for as long as you needed to be there. They would medically discharge you if they felt you had your alcohol under control.
Even while I'm doing the SoberLink device, that does not help with anything. I'm testing 4 times a day. I
Ma'am?
don't think I'm a threat to the
Ms.
community.
Ms. Roberts.
Yes, ma'am.
This isn't the time to give an explanation as to why you don't want to do either one of them. Those are your options, or the court can just decide for you.
And Your Honor, in addition to that, probation is an alternative to jail as
Right.
well.
Right, right.
So that's
Or
another
you can
thing.
just do a jail sentence.
I try the inpatient because that's the only thing I can do, I guess.
Okay. So how does she get that started, Ms. McCall?
I can,
Or Officer
refer.
Refer, okay.
Yes.
So the court will order inpatient, drug treatment. When would you like to come back, Officer McCall, would be for another review?
Yes, Your Honor.
In 3 months, maybe?
In 3 months will be good. So can it be after the November 1st? Because she has to go to court on that one. And maybe we can get a date after that.
And can I say one more? Can I say something real quick?
No, this isn't the time, really.
It's about the drug screening, ma'am.
How about November 18th?
November 18th. No problem, Your Honor.
Anything further on behalf of any of the parties?
Nothing further from probation, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Mr. Roki, anything further? I know your client wants to make comments. I don't think it's really appropriate for her to just tell me how she feels, but. anything
No, Your
further?
Honor, we're all set. Thank you.
You're all set, Ms. Roberts. Good luck.
And Judge, you didn't give her a time to return.
I surely didn't. 8:35, November 18th at 8:35.
The 18th?
No, in November. Good luck, ma'am.
That was the 18th, right?
November 18th at 8:35.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Very good. You too. All right, give me 1 second. Do you have anything in particular you want to call next, Mr. Roki, or?
No, Your Honor, it's a no difference to me.
Could we call Paul Daniels, because he was here first, and I think he was at work, I'm not sure.
I just said that. Yep, we're gonna call him now. This is the People versus Paul Daniels. Ticket number SP 794-576, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please have your name for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of the defendant.
State your name, Mr. Daniels.
Oh, Paul Daniels.
Your Honor, Mr. Daniels is going to avail himself of the recommendation this morning.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Daniels. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yeah.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of November 14, 2016 at 9:22 a.m. on that date and time. Were you at or near Outer Drive in Midland in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Driving a 2005 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
That vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Yes. It had registration. I had the title and registration. I just didn't have it on me.
You're satisfied, Ms. Soroki?
Satisfied.
You're also satisfied we'll amend the count to improper place. You stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated.
If they're dismissed without prejudice, we'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine. Mr. Daniels, can you have that paid by September 16th?
Yeah, I was gonna pay it today.
Okay, you might wanna wait till maybe this afternoon to make sure it's in the computer or Monday, but you are all
Okay.
set. Questions, sir?
No questions.
You're all set. Good luck to you,
Okay.
sir.
All right, thank you.
What about Charles Dixon?
Yes.
First is Charles Dixon, ticket number 2235823. Count one, operation of marijuana facility without a license. Ticket number U 6339942, count one, operator place of illegal occupation. Ticket number 213586271, count one, operation of a marijuana facility without a license. And ticket number 213586381, operating a medical marijuana care center without a license. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Dixon.
Mr. Dixon, say your name, sir.
Charles Dixon.
All right.
Your Honor, at this time, my client's entering a plea of not guilty, and he is requesting, he's making a jury demand, so he's asking that counsel be appointed.
Okay. All right, so what I'll do is I'll set it for a final pretrial in 3 months, which would be November 18th at 8:35. I'll set it for a final pretrial. And then, Mr. Dixon, you can hold on. We can, yeah, I have to get some information from you. So I just need you to hold on. All right?
Okay.
That's at 8:35 or November, yeah, November 18th at 8:35. And then just hold on and I'll get some information so that we can do the form to request appointed counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right, this is the People versus Maurice Register, ticket number SX 26027-131. This is a state ticket. Count one, supplying false information and or ID to police officer. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Register.
Say your name, Mr. Register.
Maurice Register.
All right, I'm pretty sure Ms. Cole will not have a no reduced plea on this one. How did you find what you proceed, Mr. Oakley?
Your Honor, at this time requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Register. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You put your hand down, you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by having a bench, I already asked that. All right, so with that, the court is going to continue your not guilty plea set it for a bench trial on September 22nd at 9 a.m. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
People versus Infinity, Roberson.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Roberson.
Let me call these tickets. All right, this is ticket number 204474271. Count one, driver license suspended. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 1948645. Count one, driver license suspended. Ticket number 162213741. Interfere with government employee performing their duty. Ticket number 16045460001. Count one, failure to stop after collision. Ticket number SP 961370. Count one, driver's license never acquired. There's ticket number 3179. Count one, drove a license not valid or improper license. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. And ticket number P 1143178. Count 115 miles per hour over posted speed.
Your Honor, the docket only had 3 tickets, and Ms. Roberson did show me a license, registration, and insurance, so I don't really know where to go from here. I didn't expect all those tickets.
Yeah, you know what? Let me make sure.
You don't supposed to be here. Oh my God, that man is still on the phone and he doing something weird.
Ms. Roberson,
Yes,
you're in the courtroom and you're being filmed on YouTube.
I'm sorry. It's another person on the phone being weird. From court.
Mr. Registrar, you can disconnect. We finished with your cases.
Okay, they didn't give me a time, ma'am.
Okay,
9 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
He has a bed on the warrant status. So need to be dealt with.
And this one, right? Okay, so some of those, Miss,
Yeah, need to know insurance.
wait, yeah. Wait, I think all of these are in warrant status. No, okay. This one,
It's not a warrant status. It's an open case.
if it's at disposition, then don't. All right, so I think we may need to recall this one, Mr. Roki, and have Ms. Horn take a look at it, because there's a number of tickets here, and some are in warrant status, some are pending.
And I'm gonna ask that the clerk, look up her driver's license, because she just had like a stapled copy. She just gotten it. So if he can just confirm her license is valid for Ms. Horn, it'd be appreciated.
Okay, we'll do that.
Thank you.
All right, so we'll recall this matter. This is the People versus Caitlin Route, ticket number P1249597, count one, travel registered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Caitlin Route.
Say your name.
Hello, this is Caitlin Rout.
Your Honor, Ms. Route did provide a valid insurance this morning to me by text and move for dismissal.
You stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
And this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Route. Good luck. Did you hear that, Ms. Route? You're all set. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you so much.
And then Willie Davis. This is the probation review.
This Bumpus was supposed to be coming down. Just continue. I'm waiting on her to come down now on that. Just sign.
So we can't do Willie Davis. We got.
They could have brought a discharge down, but he indicates.
Hello?
Yeah, we're waiting on the probation officer, Mr. Brown.
Hello?
Yes, sir. All right, so we'll recall that one. So we'll go off YouTube.